They're kind of good actually from the mouth.
Millie. You crazy rabbit. Lily is a lionhead bunny eating watercress and carrot tops. She likes the watercress more than the carrot tops, but she likes cilantro more than anything. And she's not too big of a fan of the stems. And yes, she looks like she's starving to death, but she eats plenty. Has constant access to hay, her pellets, and gets frequent vegetable snacks. And some fruit snacks too. Oh, Lily. See, she just demolishes all the leaves. Lily. Lily. She's about 6, 7 weeks old now. You've had her for like how many weeks?
2 weeks.
Yep, don't like the carrot tops as much as the watercress. You'll eat it if I feed it to you first, before the watercress. And all these are chopped liver compared to cilantro. Lily. Lily. I love her little tiny feet. There's more over here, baby.
La verdad que hoy tenemos la oportunidad de ver un partido amistoso de dos equipos que realmente juegan como equipo.
Lily. Lily.
Ya le está viendo, se viene una oportunidad. Ha llegado la pelota y no la puede controlar. Ha recuperado ya la pelota.
Say bye.